So this taonga is a hoi urunga. A hoi urunga is a steering paddle for a voyaging waka. So this has a purpose. You'll see it on some of the hoi urunga. So it would go over like a post, and then you can kind of put your hoi over there and you can leverage it. However, this is not a functional hoi. So intricately carved, it's more of a display piece. This one dates to 2001. It was carved by Clive Fugull. We felt we needed something by Clive Fugill in our exhibition because he's been so influential. But this is like a signature taonga for him. The steering paddle became his thing, and he carved quite a few of them over the years. He's really elaborated on the hoi urunga. So you have two lizards along the ridge of the blade. There's a figure here lying down, another one there. It's like whakapapa. Also takarangi spirals along the length as well. Takarangi spirals often are associated with taurapa. See how it waves along its length here, like the tail of the lizard. And on this side is called whaiwhai, which is an art form in its own right, but it's like a branch of whakairo. Whakairo just means paddling, so that's one whole kind of art form there.